welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video. This is for my socially distanced COVID approved dance recital showcase thing that we're doing today. We are recording all of the numbers for the show. So if you want to see how I did this kind of blue glittery alien-esque cut crease, then just keep watching. So as I said in the intro, I am getting ready for my dance showcase today. And it's all socially distanced and there's no audience. They're recording it and then putting it out on DVDs and stuff so people can watch it later. But we're wearing masks the whole time, obviously, because Corona. So I'm doing my makeup a little different, where obviously the focus is going to be more on the eyes. So for my brows, I want to make sure I really get them a nice shape, because they're going to be seen kind of as a focal point more than they normally would. So I'm going to trace them out here, really precise. That's the thing I hate about getting texture in your skin, is if you are filling in your eyebrows and you have texture in your eyebrows, from blackheads or loose hairs or whatever, it messes up your brow shape. And yes, I am filling them in against the grain right now. That is to make sure there's no bald spots. And then I go back over them this way to fill in the other direction, just in case they move around or kind of slip and slide when I put primer on. And then just brushing them out. And they're a little bit, I'm not going to brush them out as much as normal. They're going to be a little bit darker than I would for every day, because even though this is not on stage, I still want the performance makeup to be there. So I'm taking a fluffy angled brush right now with Electro Shock from NYX, and I'm going to start packing this lightly in the crease, because we know how much blue loves to get on everything. So we're just gonna use it very lightly, and I'm not trying to do too much with this color because I'm doing a cut crease, so I want it to be kind of light. It's kind of going to act as our transition color, so just use it sparingly. I know that's not something I normally say on here for looks, but today it is necessary. Base of the glitters, I am going to use this Tokidoki shadow and a flat packing brush. This is Brutino, so it's a very sparkly blue. I'm going to actually leave a space between the, well, you know what? No, we're going to take this all the way up to the crease. Because of the way my eyelids are, I have to do the cut kind of up above, so we won't really have to clean up anything too much. So, just packing this on. It's a very 80s blue. It's a very shimmery, glittery, metallic blue. So I'm just gonna pack this on like this, and I don't even have skin primer on right now because I know for a fact I'm gonna get glitter all over myself. It's time for the glitter primer. I am running so low on this. I've been doing so many glittery looks lately that I just run low. I'm gonna have to pick up more. I have two glitters here. I have VIP from Sin Cosmetics. It's the first one I'm going to use. It's kind of this aquamarine, definitely a lighter color blue than the other. It's on the inner half of the lid, very carefully with a flat packing brush. The other color I'm using is Utopia. So this is a dark blue. This is more the color of our costume, but I just wanted the nice contrast of colors. Blend the two as well, kind of overlapping them. So let me show you how I'm going to do this cut crease, because I'm going to do each of these eyes kind of individually. First of all, let's get all this glitter off my face. I use this big brush I got from Beaky Blender when they sent me a bunch of sponges to try. And honestly, it's so good for getting rid of glitter because it's so big. I forgot I have chapstick on, the glitter's sticking to my lips. I'm going to use Prance from ColourPop. They have reformulated this since I got it, so I have the old one still. But it's like a periwinkle blue gel liner, and we're going to use this to cut our crease with. So I'm just wiping off all the excess, and we're going to go right up over top of this glitter. This stuff is kind of sticky and kind of hard to work with, but hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Okay, and I'm just going to take it and wing it so it'll meet my other wing when I do it. Make sure I get all the chunks off here, and then kind of just smooth it out. I'm just going to take my finger, honestly, and kind of press down the chunky parts. Now I am going to do my base. I already put my primer on. I did a double wispy lash on my eyes. I've cut down to about a half lash. But now we're going to use the Infallible Total Cover. I'm almost out of it, and I just kind of want to get through it just because I'm not really liking it as much as I used to. But also, this is a total cover foundation and closer to my skin tone than the Milani one, and I don't have to do like as much work with this one. Plus, most of my face is going to be covered up anyway, so that I'm not putting as much, you know, stake in how my base looks. But for the sake of the video, I want to, you know, do the whole thing. I'm not going to put foundation on half of my face. Highlight and contour with my concealer. Why not do down the nose? I'm not going to do on my chin, but I will do a little bit above my eyebrow. I use my NYX Sculpting Liquid Contour. I'm going to do it on the forehead as well because I am going to have my hair up. Just contour out. I know it looks really dark, but I promise it blends well. A sponge. We're gonna bronze with my big bronzing brush just around the areas that we contoured, and this will just soften it up and make it a little more naturally glowy looking. Just frame the face, my neck a little bit to blend my foundation in. We're gonna do a little bit of blush. I'm using Bella Bamba. For my highlight, I'm going to use Honeymoon from ColourPop. This is one of the Super Shocks. And it kind of has a blue sparkle to it, and our dance is to Intergalactic, so I think this will be kind of the perfect color combo. Ooh, I got a little heavy there. So I think it'll be a perfect combination of colors, fits the theme. I'm gonna take this little brush and blend it so I don't have any big patches of glitter on my face. It's not just like a stripe, it's nicely blended. Use my fingers too. I want to incorporate the under eyes a little bit, so I'm taking that Electroshock color. I'm gonna smudge that underneath. That way, if there is a little glitter underneath, it looks intentional. Now, even though you won't see my lips at all, I want to have it for, you know, the Instagram pics in this video. I'm going to use Stone Fox from NYX as my lip color. My Lasting Fix setting spray from Maybelline. So this is the completed look. This is my costume. It's like a sparkly jersey, like I said, with just some black jeans. And then I did my hair in like this kinky, curly, wavy kind of thing that I did with my bedhead waver. So that is it. If you guys liked this get ready with me, make sure you subscribe. I have a lot more makeup tutorials coming up for you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.